Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
So we started taking this lug nut off this wheel, and this lug nut started spinning. Pull the socket off. The outer part of the lug nut is just spinning on the lug nut. There's a little cover, little cap that goes over these lug nuts. As you can see, these two are missing those caps, but we're struggling to get this one off. There's a couple different methods I could use to try to get this lug nut off. One, I could chisel it off with a hammer and a chisel, get this cap off, and then put a socket on there. Before I do that, because there is potential to ruin the wheel while you're doing that, before I do that, I'm gonna take a smaller socket. So this is an 18 millimeter and it's a 12 point. I'm actually gonna hit it on with a hammer and see if we can get this off. Once that's hammered on, I'm gonna grab an impact and try to take it off. Oh, and it's just spinning the whole thing again. Let's try it one more time. Oh, so that actually did something for us. That actually removed the cap for us, which I could have used with a chisel, but it actually is less damaging to the wheel. So that's not bad. Then we will take a smaller socket, the 18. This is just a 6 point. And hammer this on a little bit. And we'll take off the lug nut. And we got it off. So this is the cap that was on the lug nut. This lug nut is beyond reusing it. It is way too stripped. So we're gonna have to get some new lug nuts for this vehicle at this time.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.